Welcome to 10-Minute Health Tech, the AI-powered podcast where we dive into healthcare technologies and companies so you don't have to. I'm Anthony, your host for today, and I'm joined by Julia, our expert on all things health and wellness. Julia, we're talking about Mend today.
Okay.
What caught your eye about this company?
Well, Anthony, what intrigued me is how they're tackling a problem we all face. That gap between what we eat and what our bodies need, especially when it comes to healing and recovery.
It's interesting because we often think of food as just fuel, but Mend is approaching it as medicine. What are some situations where this food as medicine approach comes into play?
Well, they're addressing a wide range of needs, from helping athletes recover faster after intense workouts to supporting patients before and after surgery. They even have products designed for everyday wellness, like maintaining healthy blood sugar levels.
So they're not just targeting people with specific medical conditions.
Right.
They're looking at how nutrition can optimize health for everyone. Can you give us some concrete examples of their product categories?
Absolutely. Let's say you're an athlete who pushes their body to the limit. Mend has a product called Perform that's designed to relieve muscle soreness and stiffness after exercise. On a more clinical side, they offer medical food for joint replacement support, which is formulated to protect muscles and speed up recovery after surgery.
Okay, so they're covering both ends of the spectrum, from everyday fitness enthusiasts to patients undergoing major medical procedures.
Yeah.
It sounds like a pretty diverse product lineup.
It is. And it gets even more interesting when you look at how targeted their products are.
Yeah.
For example, they have medical food repair and recover, surgery, which specifically aims to aid in tissue wound and bone healing.
Now, when I hear medical food, I tend to think of something bland and unappetizing. Are we talking about shakes and supplements, or is there something more to it?
That's a fair question. While they do have shakes and powders, their approach goes beyond simply providing vitamins and minerals. They're very focused on using high-quality ingredients that are scientifically proven to be effective and easily absorbed by the body.
They call it a science-first approach, right?
Yes.
What makes it different from other brands that claim to be natural or healthy?
It's about the research and the formulation. They don't just jump on the latest health trends. They have a team of scientists and experts who carefully select ingredients backed by clinical studies. And they pay close attention to bioavailability to ensure the nutrients are actually absorbed and utilized by the body.
So it's not just about what's in the product, but how the body can actually use it.
Right.
That makes a lot of sense. Can you give an example of how they achieve this superior bioavailability?
They utilize techniques like micronization, which breaks down ingredients into smaller particles for better absorption. For instance, their regenerative product, aimed at supporting healthy muscles and energy levels, utilizes this approach to enhance the effectiveness of its ingredients.
That's fascinating. It sounds like they're really trying to bridge that gap between what we consume and what our bodies actually need. What about their target audience? Who are they primarily marketing these products to?
Well, they definitely cater to athletes and those recovering from injuries or surgeries, but their reach goes far beyond that.
Okay.
They also have products addressing everyday health concerns, like their Control Glucose product for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels after meals.
Interesting.
They seem to be targeting anyone who wants to take a proactive approach to their health through nutrition, regardless of their fitness level or medical condition.
That's interesting. It sounds like they're trying to shift the mindset from treating illnesses to preventing them in the first place. So how do they make it easier for people to figure out which products are right for them?
They've developed these cleverly curated bundles tailored to specific needs and goals. For example, they have a surgical recovery bundle and a sports recovery package, which combine different products for a more comprehensive approach.
That's pretty smart.
Yeah.
Takes the guesswork out of having to choose individual products and ensures you have everything you need for a specific situation.
Exactly. And remember that upgrade platform we touched on earlier?
Yeah.
It ties into this beautifully. Imagine being able to track your progress, get personalized coaching, and have access to the right nutrition all within one platform.
Okay, let's dig into Upgrade a bit more. It sounds like it's more than just a fitness tracker.
It is.
What kind of features and support does it offer?
It's a comprehensive platform that goes beyond just tracking your steps and calories. It offers digital health coaching, providing personalized guidance and support tailored to your specific needs and goals.
Yeah.
You also get access to educational resources and tools to help you understand your health data and make informed decisions.
That sounds incredibly valuable, especially for someone recovering from surgery or trying to manage a chronic condition. It's like having a virtual health coach in your pocket. But what about the real-world impact? Are there any testimonials or stories that illustrate how men's products and services have made a difference in people's lives?
There are tons. We talked about endorsements from orthopedic surgeons who have seen improvements in their patients' healing and energy levels after using Men.
Yeah.
But one testimonial that really stood out to me was from an NFL strength and conditioning coach.
Okay.
He called Mend products the best sports supplement on the market for recovery and rehabilitation.
Wow. That's high praise coming from someone who works with elite athletes at the top of their game.
Yeah.
But it's not just about professional athletes, right? There are everyday people seeing benefits too.
Absolutely. One story that caught my eye was about a woman who had been struggling with low energy and chronic pain for years. After incorporating Men's products and the upgrade platform into her routine, she reported feeling more energized, less pain, and a significant improvement in her overall quality of life.
So it seems like they're delivering on their promise of bridging the gap between diet and what our bodies truly need to heal and thrive. But what really struck me is their approach to surgery prep and recovery.
hmm
They have this intriguing bundle called Carb Ready. Can you explain what that's all about?
It's actually quite fascinating. They've discovered that by strategically increasing carbohydrate intake at specific times before and after surgery, you can significantly boost your body's glycogen stores.
Mm-hmm.
This helps to optimize recovery and improve outcomes. It's not just about healing after the fact, but preparing the body for the stress of surgery in advance.
That's a really proactive approach.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of just focusing on damage control after surgery, they're setting the stage for a smoother and faster recovery.
Mm-hmm.
I'm curious, is there any scientific evidence to support this approach?
There's a growing body of research highlighting the importance of optimizing nutritional status before surgery. Studies have shown that patients who have adequate glycogen stores tend to recover faster, experience fewer complications, and have shorter hospital stays. Men's Carb Ready bundle taps into this research to provide a targeted solution for surgical prep and recovery.
It seems like they're really challenging the traditional model of healthcare, where the focus is often on reacting to problems rather than preventing them. They're empowering individuals to take a more active role in their health journey.
You've hit the nail on the head, Anthony. They're taking a holistic approach, recognizing that healing is not just about addressing physical needs, but also mental and emotional well-being. Their personalized coaching and support through the Upgrade platform play a crucial role in this aspect. It's about providing individuals with the knowledge, tools, and support they need to feel confident and in control of their health.
Well, it's been incredibly insightful exploring Mend and their unique approach to health and healing. Makes you wonder what other innovations they might have up their sleeve. What's next for Mend, Julia?
That's the exciting part. They seem to be constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare.
Mm-hmm.
If we connect this back to the bigger picture, Mend is at the forefront of a movement towards personalized healthcare.
So instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, they're tailoring the healing process to the individual.
Exactly. It's about recognizing that we all have unique needs and goals when it comes to our health. Whether you're an athlete striving to optimize performance recovering from surgery, or simply trying to maintain vitality as you age, Mend offers a toolbox to support you on that journey.
It's refreshing to see a company move beyond just treating illnesses and focus on optimizing well-being at every stage of life. But how accessible is this approach? Is it only for those who can afford premium products and services?
That's a valid concern. But what's noteworthy is Mend's commitment to making this approach accessible to a wide range of people. They offer a variety of products and price points, and their Upgrade platform is designed to be user-friendly and affordable.
So they're not just catering to elite athletes or the wealthy.
Right.
They're trying to democratize access to personalized healthcare. This deep dive into Mend has given me a lot to think about in terms of my own health and well-being.
Me too. It's a great reminder that we have more control over our health than we often realize. Companies like Mend are paving the way for a future where proactive, personalized healthcare is the norm.
Thanks for spending 10 minutes with us, and be sure to look for more 10-Minute Health Tech podcasts.
Bye-bye.